Mastering email writing, the power of bullet points and lists. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an essential part of effective email writing: how to use bullet points and lists in the body of your email. Whether you're providing information, updates, or anything in between, bullet points and lists can help make your message clear and easy to understand. So, let's get started. In the world of email communication, clarity is king. When providing updates or sharing information, bullet points and lists offer an excellent way to present information clearly and succinctly. They help in breaking down complex information, highlighting key points, making your email easier to read and understand. Remember, an email isn't a novel. Most readers appreciate brevity and straightforwardness. That's exactly what bullet points and lists can deliver. So, when should you use bullet points or lists? Great question. Generally, bullet points and lists are ideal for enumerating items or points. The project has 3 phases: Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. Breaking down complex information. Instead of writing lengthy paragraphs, you can break down the details into bullet points. Highlighting important points. Bullet points draw attention, making them perfect for emphasizing key elements. Now that we understand the importance and when to use bullet points and lists, let's learn how to use them correctly. Keep it concise. Each bullet point should ideally be 1 to 2 lines long. Maintain consistency. If you start with verbs, keep all the points starting with verbs. Consistency in formatting is key. Use parallel structure. If one bullet point is a complete sentence, ensure all bullet points are complete sentences. Similarly, if one point starts with a noun, all should start with a noun. Avoid overuse. While bullet points and lists are helpful, don't overuse them. A balance between paragraphs and bullet points often works best. That's all for today's lesson on using bullet points and lists in email writing. Remember, these tools can be incredibly effective in conveying information in a clear, concise manner, which is especially important in professional email communication. I hope this video helps you write more efficient and effective emails. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of email communication in no time. Tune in next time as we continue our journey into English language learning. Happy writing!